Hey guys, hi. Once again, welcome back to the session. This is your master teacher Harsh Priyam, and I'm in front of all of you with the next session of VIP series. So this VIP series is all about the most important questions of your board level. Okay. So before starting, I would really like to know that people, how is your life going on? Come on, write it down in the chat box. Come on, jaldi se balle balle, write down in the chat box balle balle if your life is going awesome, and if not, then what is the problem? Just do let me know. Come on people, come on. After the session, so I will be reading all your chats, and if you will be putting any comments, then probably I'll be reading the comments as well. Rather, I would suggest all of you to put your suggestions, your comments, your views, your feelings, everything in the chat box itself. In the comment box itself, because after the session it's much more easy for me to read out the comment box. Okay, chalo. So with this, let's start our today's session. Our today's session is on statistics. So I will be telling you all those questions which are very important from your exam point of view. So let's start that statistics chapter. Here we go. First question on your screen is this. Question says what? Question says that find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. So this is the data. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. So the word mean is important because question is saying us to find the mean of this data. So this data is given. What this data is about, we don't have to worry about it. We have to just worry that we have to find the mean. What is the formula for mean? Everyone might be knowing that mean has got three formulas, three ways with which we can find. So in that three way, the first method is direct method, then assumed mean method, and the third one is step deviation method. But this year step deviation method is not there, so we don't need to worry about it. So direct method, if I am applying, so summation fi xi divided by summation fi. If I am not wrong, I guess you all might be knowing this. Are you? Yes? So summation fi xi upon summation fi, this is the formula. Now how would you get xi? So xi is always the middle value of the class interval, the mid value. So if you have 0 to 0.04, what will be the mid value? So in middle of this, exactly middle of this, if I am not wrong, the value should lie 0.02, if I am not wrong, 0.02. Similarly, the middle of 0.04 and 0.08. In fact, if you need a formula to find out this, I would simply say add these two, divide by 2. So 0.04 plus 0.08, that is 0.12, divided by 2 is 0.06. So the middle one is 0.06. Similarly here, the middle one will be 0.10, 0.14, 0.18 and 0.22. This middle value is actually called as xi, which is also called as class mark. This xi which you are able to see, this is nothing but class mark, and this class mark, this is how we find. Okay, I hope you all understood that. Now for fi, the frequency, it is already given here. This is fi. Now the formula says what? Formula says that we have to multiply them. Formula says what? That we have to multiply them. So if we have to multiply fi and xi, just multiply it here only. 0.02 into 4. So if I am not wrong, this is 0.08. 0.06 into 9. So this is 0.54. 9 into 10, 0.90. And 0.28. 0.72. And then 0.44. Now surely you'll have to add all of them because summation means addition. So either I can add or you can add on your own. So 1 and then 1.9. Let me take the help of the summation, the solution itself. So this is the entire thing. 0.08, 0.54, 0.90, 0.28, 0.72, 0.40. Adding all of them will be equal to 2.96. Cool. Now once you get 2.96, then you have to divide it with summation fi, that is sum of all the frequencies. So 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. So that when you will be doing, you will be getting summation fi equals to 30. So you got summation fi 30, summation fi xi 2.96. You have to divide them. So 2.96 upon 30 is 0.099 ppm. So this is the mean. This is the average parts per million concentration of SO2 in the air. I hope you all understood that. Did you? Yes? Give me a yo-yo. Fast, in the chat box, right now. Give me a yo-yo, fast. If you all understood this. Understood it, people? Yo-yo, come on, tell me. Yes? Chalo, that's great. So if you all understood, that's really fantastic. So let's move on. Let's move on to the next question. So here we go for the next one. This is the next question. And if I'm not expecting too much, I would request all of you to hit the like button if you are understanding the questions. Okay? Come on guys, hit the like button. The next question says, find the mean of the following distribution using a suitable method. So again, method is not mentioned, so you can use any method. Assume normal method, direct method, which we use right now, or you can even use assumed mean method. So both of them can be used. Now let's see when we will use assumed mean and when we will use direct. I'll just show you. So here, say for example, we have to again find mean. Okay, fine. So in mean, we know xi has to be found. The middle value, so 20 and 30, middle value is 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. Now please see that here if I apply direct formula means what? This is my xi and this is my fi. So I will have to multiply fi xi both of them. Means 25 into 25, 625, 35 into 40, if I am not wrong, 1400. Yeah, 45 into 42 I'll have to calculate, I don't remember it. 55 into 33 again I have to calculate, and this one. Are you able to understand one thing, that the problem here is the multiplication of bigger numbers? That is the problem area. Yeah, okay. So direct method I can find the mean, but it will be very clumsy and very time taking. And if it is taking my time, it is equivalent to not being able to be solved or equivalent to a tough question. So here what we should do, we should rather switch our method to assumed mean method, A. Okay, let's see. So in that assumed mean method, the formula is, that mean is, if I am not wrong, fi di. Summation fi di upon summation fi plus A. Now you have to remember this. Okay, you have to remember this, so please don't forget. Now how would you remember that? I'll tell you. So first of all, you should know what is di. So di is, see here, let's remove this fi. So di is basically xi minus A. Xi minus A means the earlier xi which we were having, in that we have to subtract A. Now what is this A? A is basically called as assumed mean, and it is a value which is almost in middle of the xi table. So xi table, this is 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Which one is the middle value? So middle value, you are very much able to understand that, okay sir, 45 is the middle value. So you will assume this as your A. You have to take almost middle. It might not be the exact middle, but you have to take the almost middle. Once you have taken this A, so you have to find di. How? Xi minus A. So 25 is the xi minus A. 25 minus 45. 25 minus 45, if I am not wrong, minus 20. Correct? Now, 35 minus 45. 35 minus 45, if I am not wrong, minus 10. 45 minus 45, because at this place, xi and A both are the same values. So xi, 45 minus 45, 0. Here 55 minus 45, 10, and 65 minus 45, 20. Now, what the benefit did you get is that fi into di, earlier you were doing fi into xi, that was very problematic. 42 into 45, 33 into 55, problematic thing. But right now if you multiply fi with your di, that's very easy. That's very easy. Let me show you. 25 into minus 20, that is minus 500. 40 into minus 10, minus 400. 40 into 0, 42 into 0, 0. And then 33 into 10, sorry. 33 into 10, that is 330. And then 20 into 10, that is 200. Super easy, man. See here, super easy. And now when we have to add it, that will also be easy. See here, minus 500, minus 400, minus 900, 330, 200, that is 530. So 530 and again 530 minus 900 if you will do. So 530 minus 530, and if I am not wrong, this should come as minus 370. This summation fi xi should come as minus 370 if I am not wrong. Okay, this is how you will be able to calculate it. So minus 370, sorry, my summation fi di, very sorry, summation fi di. Now you have to put the values here. So put the value minus 370 divided by summation fi. So summation fi, you can find it very easily. 25 plus 40, 65 and if I am not wrong, 45 and 75. 75 and 65, 140. 140 and 10, 150. 150 is the total sum. So this is 150, summation fi plus A. A value we had taken 45. 45. Now you have to simply calculate it. So once you calculate, you get the answer. See here. 45 minus 370 divided by 150 and then 45 minus 2.47 is the value which they are getting. So 42.53 is the final answer. And this is super easy. Did you all understand it? Come on, give me a yo-yo fast in the chat box right now. Did you all understand this? That when do you have to apply direct method and when you have to apply assumed mean method? See, whenever your data becomes big, your calculation becomes clumsy, at that point of time you should switch to assumed mean, because assumed mean method has been designed only to make the calculations easier and your answer comes faster. So always remember, I'm not suggesting that if it is a normal data unnecessarily go for DI. No, not required. So DI shall be entered only if the data multiplication or calculation is pretty heavy. Then you shall go for DI. Okay, I hope you all get it. So this is the method. Fine. So if you all are understanding, I would request and expect all of you to hit the like button on the channel right now below. And all those who haven't subscribed the channel till now, please do so, because this will give you all other important information that is going to happen on the channel. Believe me, okay? And this is really great. So once you subscribe and hit the like button, YouTube automatically starts working in the background for you so that YouTube can also suggest you similar type of videos. So say for example, if you are watching my class mathematics right now, YouTube will automatically suggest all of my videos which have done outstandingly well to you. So you don't need to find them. So that is how YouTube works beautifully for you. Okay? Chalo, moving on. This is the next question. This next question says that following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality, the mean pocket allowance. So again, mean is given. So this question is also of mean, but only difference is that earlier mean has to be found, here mean is given. So what has to be found? So this frequency, our frequency is missing actually. So this frequency has to be found. This is the only difference. Question will be solved exactly the same way. You will find xi, that is the mid value. So 11 and 13 mid value, 12 and 14 and then 16 and then 18 and then 20, 22 and 24. This is how you will find xi, and this is the value of fi. Fi. Now what do you have to do? Fi into xi, fi into xi. So I guess here the calculation is not so clumsy. But in case if you find clumsy, you can again choose a DI value, assumed mean value. So say for example, if you choose 16. So if you choose 16, 12 minus 16, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Like this you can move on. Okay. So this is how you have to solve this. And once, so here 20 into f, that will be the unknown part. You have to equate it with the mean. I'm just showing you the method. You have to solve it on your own. See, if you do addition of all frequency, this f is the unknown quantity. So 44 plus f will come. Thereafter, fi into xi. So they have also taken the normal method because it is easy. So if you multiply here, 20f will be the unknown quantity. If you add all of them, here 20f will come as an unknown quantity. Fine, no issues. Now you apply the mean formula. So mean equals to summation fi upon summation fi. The summation fi xi upon summation fi. Mean is given 18. You put the value of fi xi, put the value of fi, solve it doing the cross multiplication, you will find f equals to 20. 2f equals to 40 and f equals to 20. So f equals to 20 is the final answer. Now I have not solved it because the idea is not to solve every question by me only. The idea is to give you guys how to solve it and then you should practice it, because either way in your examination you have to write this answer. Okay, fine. Chalo, let's move on to the next question. Here we go for the next. Okay, this is an information. So this information is about Vedantu Pro subscription, V Pro. And this information is highly relevant for those students who have yet not been a part of Vedantu. First, either they are planning, or second, that they don't know, so they don't know whether they have to plan or not. So for both of them, this information is highly important. Obviously, this information might not be so relevant for those students who have already been a part of Vedantu Pro, who are already taking live sessions in Vedantu. So you people can actually go for a Maggie. Okay. So I will tell you everything that what this V Pro actually gives you and what all benefit does this V Pro have. So people, let's see that. Just give me a moment. Let me start my screen and then. So here we go. Yes. Now here what you have to do. It's very simple. You have to come here on Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel here. In this video only, just in this video's description, if you click show more, the description will come. Now in this description, what do you have to do? That just come down and here you will find a link. It is written subscribe to Vedantu Pro now with $$ emojis, and you will find the link here. So subscribe to Vedantu Pro now, and this is the link. Just click on this link once. Just click. Now let's see what I have to tell you and how will you get into this session. So everyone, please pay attention. Now what will happen that here you will get sessions at Vedantu in an outstanding fashion. Now why am I saying this outstanding fashion, or what benefit this Vedantu Pro is going to give you? So see, first of all, that all the teachers here at Vedantu are extremely talented, experienced, and they have got results. Means all the teachers here at Vedantu have produced outstandingly well results. So if I show you the results, few of them you will find here. If you go ekdam down, so here these are the results, and these are only few of the results, not complete result. So first of all, that Vedantu is known for its result and for its teaching. When I say teaching, it simply means that Vedantu simply gives you those type of teachers which make the learning fun. So that is the first part. Now second part, that in online education, there are very few or almost no one is there except Vedantu who provides a doubt support. That in your live session, you can ask doubts, and see this is written here. Clear your doubts during the live classes. You can ask any number of doubts. Whatever you have, you can simply stop there and you can say that I have a doubt, I want to clear it. In fact, Vedantu has a complete set of team, a whole set of teachers who are there in the session during live session. And if you do have a doubt, then say for example, if I am teaching, if you'll ask me a doubt, I might get disturbed, or the whole class might get disturbed. And if you don't want, because many students are shy, that why shall I disturb the class? Then what you can do, you can simply put that doubt, and the backend team, the doubt expert team, they will take up your doubt and they will answer you. Just imagine how beautiful it is, isn't it? So this is how the doubt segment works. And then you get notes, assignments, recording of the class, chapter-wise tests and performance report, everything. You just name it and you get it. So you get everything in this. Okay. Now, and you have entire syllabus coverage. What is your date? Means batch starting date. Everything you'll get here. Okay. Now, what do you have to do? This course which I am showing you, for the purchasing this course, this is the price which is being shown. Now, this price is for grade 10th who are going to give their board examination in 2021, CBSE 2021. So this is the price for them. Now, if you are a student who don't want this course, say for example, if you are a student who have come from 9th to 10th and you want to give, it means you have to give the board next year. So you want a course according to you. So no issues, just click on change, select 10th only, but in the board select CBSE 2022. That you have to take the boards next year. Okay. Once you click here, this price will change. Okay. Because obviously those students who are taking the boards, for them, it's only revision sessions, just revision. But for you guys, it will be complete teaching. It won't be just a crash course or a revision course. For 10th board students, because they don't have much time, so only crash courses and revision courses are there. But for other students, the entire syllabus will be taught. So that is why the prices are a little on a higher side. But you don't have to pay this price. Na, bilkul na. In fact, you will have to pay a lesser price. So I'll show you what is that lesser price. First of all, let me show it for 2021, this year batch. So once you click here, proceed to pay, this window will open and you will be asked with your mobile number. So here my mail ID is there, so I'll just put that mail ID. Just give me a moment and I will write this mail ID so that you can, where is the mail ID? Okay, just give me a moment. Yep, so done with the mail ID, and then I'll have to put the password. Just a second. So here we are. So what I was saying, so I was saying ki here, now once you do the login, you will be able to see this page. Now this course is being shown for class 10 students who are coming from 9th. So 9th moving to 10th. So for 9th moving to 10th, it is written grade 10 CBSE 2022. 22 means next year board. In case if there is any student right now in the session who is going to give the boards this year, who is going to take the boards this year, he shall change it. Grade 10 it will be same, but he shall select CBSE 2021. This if you select, you will be able to get again all the things same, exactly same. Now again here you have to see, clicking on proceed to pay, this will give you this entire thing, and here you have to put the coupon code, and that will be HPE Pro. In case if you click on that link, sometimes this will be automatically applied, sometimes you may have to apply it, but in both the cases once you apply, this price will reduce down, and once this is reduced down, so you can buy the courses. So this is for crash course, revision course, 1 month revision course for 10th graders who are going to take the exam just this in few days. And if you go back and you select here next year boards, that is 9th moving to 10th students, once you select this, you will get everything just like the same, that you will be able to ask doubts, structured syllabus, full scores, and then crash course would be free, micro courses would be free, everything would be free. Now once you come here, this here proceed to pay, once you click on this, you will be redirected here, and again you can apply the coupon code HPE Pro. So this coupon code will allow you again an extra discount. So this course, 1 month course will come to you in something around 3,000 rupees. Okay, I hope you all understood that. Now let me tell you, I'm again saying these prices are going to be increased very soon. So those who are planning to buy it, you should go for it ASAP, as soon as possible. Otherwise, these prices will increase. Pakka. Okay. So this is 1 month price, and similarly, you'll get the year-long price as well. So if you go back and if you want to go for the year-long course, this is the year-long course. Click here. 39,000 is the price shown. Click on proceed to pay. You come here, apply the coupon code HPE Pro, apply it. This comes in 35,000. So you get a discount. Fine, people. Got it? Chalo. If you all get this point, so let's get back to our studies. Let's get back to this thing. So here, if I come, so few more beautiful features of this session is that you will get unlimited live classes with high level quizzes that will make you feel gamified, that will give you an experience of gamified learning. So it will again enhance your learning experience. Moving on, you'll have a competition with the entire world. You'll get to see that what the world is doing around you, what is the competition level. And then moving on, you will have interactive replays. So even in the replay, you will be able to play quizzes. And then premium downloadable content. So all the handwritten notes of the teachers, you can download them. Okay. And moving on, doubt solving is obviously there. So you can ask any number of doubts, and test and assignment would be there. And last but not the least, you will have micro courses. All the micro courses absolutely free of cost for you. Isn't that great? Yeah. Chalo, that's great. Moving on. So how you have to enroll, link is given in the description box just now, as I have shown you right now. So you can purchase through there. Chalo, let's go to the next question, what we were discussing right now. So the next question is this one. Question here says that a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, blah, blah, blah. Finally, it is saying that find the mode of the data. So this is important. What is given, which type of data it is, that hardly matters. We have to calculate mode. So for calculating mode, we know that we have to find the modal class. So how do we find the modal class? By getting the highest frequency. So what is the highest frequency here? Highest frequency is this 20. So 20 is the highest frequency. This will become our modal class. And once this becomes model class, now everything we'll be able to find using formula. So for formula, even for using that formula, model class is very important. So let's see the formula. So formula for mode is, please see, L, lower limit, plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 whole multiplied by H. This is the formula. Again, L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now all these values you would be able to find because of this model class. Let's see, let me show you how. So L means lower limit of the model class. So you will very simply write 40. Cool. Second thing, F1, first frequency of the model class. So this is F1. Cool. Before this, you will have F0. Common sense says this, that before F1, F0 comes and F2 comes after F1. So this will be your F2. So F0, F1, F2, you got 3. So F0, F1, F2, just put the values 40 plus 2 and 20. F1 means 20 minus 12 divided by 2 times F1. 2 times F1 means 40 minus F0 means 12 minus F2 means 11 whole multiplied by H means width of the class. Width of the class, that is 40 to 50 means 10. Now you have to solve it, calculate it, and you will get the answer. Let me show you the final answer. 40, the same way 20 minus 12 upon 40 minus 12 minus 11. Solve it, 40 divided by 40 plus 80 divided by 17, and hence you get the answer 44.7. That is the mode, and this is how you find the mode. I hope you all get it. Yes, thumbs up. Chalo, that's great. If you all understood, let's move to the next question. This is the next question. Says find the average expenditure done by maximum number of manual workers. Okay, so here it is not written directly that what we have to find. Can you write down in the chat box like what we have to find? Do we have to find mean, median, mode, what? Anyone, any idea? Come on, write down in the chat box. I'll tell you, see, most of the student might think here that, sir, it is written average here, so we have to find mean. But it is not right. You don't have to find mean. Why? See, you have to understand first of all that mean, median and mode, all three of them find average only. But average, so when I say mean, it finds just random simple average, nothing into consideration. When I say mode finds the average around the maximum number of people. Means obviously, so let me give you an example. So here 40 is the maximum frequency in this table, if you are able to see. So 40 workers are earning between 1500 to 2000. So maximum number of our workers are earning in this bracket. So this means that the average should lie something around here. Should lie something around here. That should be the common sense. That is what is given by mode. An average centered around the maximum number of data. So that is why here average is just to confuse you. Done by maximum number of manual workers, this means you have to find mode. You have to find mode. Once you get to know this, then you have to find the modal class. So modal class you have already found. Once you have already found, you have to put the values. Again, formula you know, L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. You have to put all those values. Once you put all those values, this is what you get. L plus H into F0 minus F1. Sorry, F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. That's it. And hence, once you solve this, you get this answer. Got it, balle balle? Yo-yo, give me a chat box. Give me a yo-yo in the chat box. Fast, people. You all get it? Yes. Chalo, that's great. Moving on to the next. Here we go for the next question. The next one is this one. Here what the question says is that the median is given. Okay. And X and Y are the unknown frequencies. So we have to find the unknown one. Okay, fine. First of all, here in median also we have to find the median class. Then only we'll be able to go ahead. Here median is already given. So we don't need to find median class because median is given 28.5. You know that in which class 28.5 will lie. You can see that 20 to 30. So it is already known to you that this will be the median class without any doubt. So you don't need to find the median class. It's already given. Okay. Now once it is given, so you have to write the formula for finding x and y. So once you write median formula, that is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. That's the formula. L is what? L is what? Lower limit, median class. So L is lower limit, median class, 20. Now for putting these values, you will have to make one column extra in this, that is called as CF, cumulative frequency. Now if you put CF column, the first frequency 5, you will write as it is 5. Second one 5 plus x, so you will write 5 plus x. Cool. Third one 5 plus x plus 20, that is 25 plus x. And then 40 plus x, and then 40 plus x plus y, and then 40 plus x plus y plus 5, that is 45 plus x plus y. Got it, everything? Okay. Now n by 2, n is the number of total frequency, sum of total frequency. So 60 will be your n. So if n is 60, n by 2 will be 30. You got 30 plus, sorry, minus CF. Now most of the students do get confused here. CF means 25 plus x. Now, cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. This is the only hack here that you have to remember. Here you will put the value 5 plus x. You will write 5 plus x and then whole divided by f, frequency of the median class, that is 20. Put the value into h. Into h is very simple, 10. You have put all the values. Here median is already given 28.5. If you will calculate, you will get x equals to 8 very easily. Just try calculating it once, you will get the answer. Super simple, not a big deal. But let me tell you, this does not look easy. If you don't know it, it will be tough for you. Okay. Now once you get x equals to 8, you know that 45 plus x plus y should be equal to 60 because this is the total sum of frequency. So if you make 45 plus x plus y equals to 60, you will get that 45 plus x plus y equals to 60. X plus y will be 15. We already got x equals to 8. You can put it here and you will get y equals to 7. Super easy. You will get y equals to 7. Fine. Hence, see, they have also done the same thing. Y equals to 7, x equals to 8. Exactly same thing. And for this, you'll get it in 5 marks. Believe me. You got 5 marks so easily. Isn't that great? Yeah? Come on. If you are understanding, hit the like button, guys. Chalo, that's great. Moving on. Next one. This is the next question. Find the median length of the leaves. Again, the same one, or almost the same one. I won't repeat this question. You have to solve it. But here I'll only tell you how to find the median class in case it is not given. So again, you have to find first of all CF, cumulative frequency. So that is 3 plus 5, 8, 8, 9, 17, 17 and 12, 29, 29, 5, 34, 34, 4, 38 and 2, 40. Cool, cool. Next thing, in this, once you have got this, 40 is the sum of all frequencies, so n will be equal to 40. You have to find n by 2, that is 40 by 2 means 20. Cool, cool. Now try finding 20 in the CF table. Are you able to find it? 17, 29, no. So what is the next value to 20? Just next greater value to 20. I guess that is 29. So choose 29 and this will become your median class. This will become your median class. And thereafter you have to solve it. Super easy. Okay. One more thing. Here the classes are not continuous. 126, 127. They are not continuous. They are not exclusive format. So you will have to change them. And whenever there is a difference, so 126 and 127, they are not same. They should be same. So how much is the difference? Difference is 1. So I will ask 126 to shift 0.5, half distance. I'll make 126 as 126.5. Similarly, I'll ask 127 to shift half distance backside. So 127 will change to 126.5. So all the lower limit have to go half back. All the upper limit have to go half front side. And the table will look like this. 117.5, 126.5, 126.5, 135.5. Now see, everything is same. They are same. So you have to make them same, then only you will be able to solve this. Otherwise, no. So you have to make them same and thereafter you already got it that what is going to be your median class. So this is going to be your median class. Now thereafter you have to put it in the formula. So this is the formula, you get the answer. Got it? Pakka? Chalo, come on, write down in the chat box if you all understood it. Come on, write down, bro. Yo-yo, give me a yo-yo if you all understood it. Okay, that's great, fantastic. I'm able to see that. Very good. If you all understood, so let's move on. Here we go, people. Yo. So all those who have not filled the vote form, please do it fast as you can. Very important. 3 more dates are remaining, I guess now. 28th March is already over. So these 3 dates, you can take the VOTE examination. It's an awesome free of cost examination. You don't have to pay anything. It's free, absolutely free. You have to sit at your home, take this test, and you don't have to go anywhere. So it's an open book test. Sit at your home, free of cost exam, and in all 3 dates you can take the examination. In whichever date you will get the maximum marks, that will be considered for your rank. And nonetheless, here you get daily prizes. So you get a chance to become Vedantu CEO, you get a chance to go to NASA if you win this. And not only this, you get every day, these are the prizes which you might win. These are the prizes which you might win. So these are daily prizes. So go for it, guys. Okay. So this is how you register for VOTE. This is the entire outlook. Just go to the app. The link is given here in the description also. Go to the app, download it, and you'll be able to register for VOTE. My scheme is MAT plus SAT, 35 questions, plus 4 minus 1 is the marking scheme, and 90 minutes is the paper. Fine. Cool, guys. And you can even form your squads for winning maximum number of points. And hence maximum number of prizes. Okay, cool, people. So yes, that was all, and I hope you all understood about Vedantu Pro subscription also. Those who want to go for it, buy it, just go to the description box, you'll find the link, and then you can do the needful. Okay, people. So I guess that was all for this session. I think I will take a break now. I will leave and see you guys in the next session. With this, it's time to say goodbye, and I would be really happy to see your comments, listen from you, hear from you. So put down your lovely comments in the comment box. Fine, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again. Okay, bye-bye.